आज भी आईटी मंत्री ने कह दिया हमारा तो कोई लेना देना ही नहीं, एनएसओ और पेगासस को हम तो जानते ही नहीं, उन्होंने तो बयान ही दे दिया। शायद मंत्री जी अगर आप कांग्रेस के कॉलिंग अटेंशन में पुराने आईटी मिनिस्टर का 28 नवंबर 2019 का जवाब पढ़ लेते तो इतना झूठ संसद को ना बोलते। यह मैं इस देश के फॉर्मर आईटी मिनिस्टर रविशंकर प्रसाद का संसद का जवाब दिखा रहा हूं आपको, जो कांग्रेस के कॉलिंग अटेंशन मोशन पर राज्यसभा में उन्होंने दिया, और वहां उन्होंने 3 बातें मानी। पहली बात कि 121 आदमियों के नाम उनके पास आए हैं हिंदुस्तान के, जिनके टेलीफोन को पेगासस इजरायली जासूसी यंत्र से हैक किया गया है। यह मैं नहीं कह रहा, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूं। यह मंत्री जी ने मान लिया और संसद के पटल के ऊपर मान लिया कि 121 नाम तो उनके पास है। तो जब मिनिस्टर ये कह रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 121 नाम हैं, तो फिर आज आईटी मिनिस्टर ये क्या कह रहे हैं?
As per WhatsApp, Pegasus was designed to be installed remotely on mobile devices using the Android, iOS and BlackBerry operating systems. The NSO Pegasus exploited vulnerabilities in operating systems and applications and used other malware delivery methods like spear phishing messages containing links to malicious code. According to media reports, Pegasus could be surreptitiously installed on a victim's phone without the victim taking action. Response by Ministry of Electronics and IT and Certin. Certin in a published a vulnerability note on May 17, 2019 regarding buffer overflow vulnerability in WhatsApp based on its vulnerability taking process. A vulnerability note was published on the Common Vulnerabilities and Exposure database in USA on May 14, 2019 based on WhatsApp reporting to CVE. On May 20, 2019, WhatsApp reported an incident to Certin wherein it mentioned that WhatsApp identified and promptly fixed a vulnerability that could enable an attacker to insert and execute code on mobile devices, and that the vulnerability can no longer be exploited to carry out attacks. As Certin had already issued the vulnerability note, no further action was deemed warranted. During high-level engagements like meeting of CEO Mr. Will Cathcart and VP Policy Mr. Nick Clegg of WhatsApp that took place with the Ministry on 26 July 2019 and 11 September 2019, no mention was made by high-level WhatsApp team regarding this vulnerability. On September 5, 2019, WhatsApp wrote to Certin providing update to the security incident reported in May 2019, and it stated that while the full extent of this attack may never be known, WhatsApp continues to review the available information. It also mentioned that based on WhatsApp long data available, WhatsApp believes that the attackers may have attempted to reach the devices of approximately 121 users in India.